Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you an easy sunset scenery painting idea. Already I have drawn this picture, now I will color it. At first I took red color to color the sky. Then I took vermilion. Then here I am using orange color. Next I took chrome yellow tea. Now here I am using chrome yellow M and paint like this. Then I took lemon yellow color and paint in this way. Now here I am using Prussian blue color to color this mountain. Next here I am using cobalt blue color and paint in this way. Then here I am using sky blue color. Next I took medium green color and colored these trees. Also here I am using light green color. Then blend these two color with lemon yellow color. I am applying burnt sienna color. Then here I am using dark brown color. Apply the color in this way. Next I took burnt sienna. Then here I am using yellow ochre. Now I took chrome yellow tea and paint in this way. Again I took Prussian blue color and paint in this way. Then here I am using cobalt blue color. Now I took cobalt turquoise and paint like this. Then here I am drawing a sun with yellow fabric color. Painting is complete. If you like this video, do not forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.